Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Embassy Citadel by Embassy Group located in Worli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the left of the project, you can go towards Kolaba side. And from the right, you can go towards the Worli-Bandra sea link, from where you can connect towards Bandra. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Speaking of the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.15 acre that will have one tower with 2 wings of ground plus 81 story, having 4 BHK and 5 BHK luxury premium residences. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located Bangalore Elijah Moses Road, Worli, from where Palladium Mall is at a distance of 1.7 kilometers. Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 3.5 kilometers and Bandra-Worli Sea Link is at a distance of 4.9 kilometers from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, kids play area, library, banquet hall, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences with 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1900 to 3062 carpet area and 5 BHK in the carpet area of 3222 to 3644 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Embassy Citadel by Embassy Group located in Worli.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.